Hey guys, so I just received my first package from the Buddy Bandana, and this is a package for Lou, so don't be excited about makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up first before I call Lou, just so you guys can see exactly what comes in. I ordered the full set, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here's how it comes. I apologize, I don't have any sheets on my bed. It is laundry day. So it comes with a beautiful bandana that you put on your dog, and I chose the red plaid because I think this will stand really nicely against loose black fur. It has like nice little black and red, so I thought that would be really cute. And the reason why it's called Buddy Bandana, guys, is because you, as the partner of the pet, get like a really cute scrunchie, which is absolutely adorable. I love scrunchies. I don't care what you guys say, scrunchies are still the thing. And I also got a cute little headset a headband for when I just feel lazy and don't want to put my hair anywhere. So yeah, that's the three-piece set. We got this really nice bandana, this headband, and this cute little scrunchie. So let's go get Lou and try this beautiful little bandana on. Alrighty, so here we have the headband. I think it's absolutely adorable. It is very soft to the touch, really cute. It matches the bandana that Lou's gonna wear, so wherever I go, people know that she is my dog. So I'm gonna go get Lou and put on the bandana now. Great, if you guys can tell, she's already quite excited. Sit! Lucy, sit! Can you sit for me? Oh, hello! Okay, let's get you nice and pretty. And there we have the cute little Buddy bandana. I think the red looks really cute on Lou. I know you're not camera friendly, I know. You just like pictures. She doesn't really like videos, guys. She doesn't sit around long enough for me to film her. I know, baby girl, but you look so pretty. I think that this was pretty good. It's cute. It's adorable. The quality, I know my boobs are hanging out. Oh. And the quality of it is pretty good. Lou doesn't seem to mind it at all, but she's pretty good with clothes, so we're definitely going to be ordering more, and I'm going to leave a code for you guys. Again, it's not really like a sponsorship or anything. I just got a code for you guys, so if you use my code, you get a discount. I don't really get anything out of it. It's just my followers get discounts, and that'll help you guys out. So if you guys have any furry little buddies like my little Lou, then check it out. And it doesn't have to be just for dogs. It's just any pet in general. It looks really cute, and I think it's really nice. You know, just easy putting on a bandana and saying like, hey, that's my dog. You giving mommy kisses? Are you giving mommy kisses? Yes, you are. Such a pretty girl. Oh, the bandana looks so pretty on you. Alrighty. Can you say bye-bye, Lulu? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tell me bye-bye. Good girl. Now say bye-bye.